Let me tell you how she did it.
This trip is going to be so hard.
All on her own. Life is short. The world is wide. I want to make some memories.
This dress might look very pretty on...
You really don't know me at all, do you?
Good morning, dynamos. Okay, there are a couple bakeries down towards the town area, and I think I'm gonna go and try and go to one of those. I'm gonna get out of the house to try and make myself feel better. I've just been in such a slump lately, like more than just a slump, but like getting alone is starting to get to me, obviously. So yeah, let's go see how this day goes. Absolutely already Okay, so I chickened out and left. She started speaking Greek to me and I got scared. So
for your boundaries, girl, you hit too close to the edge.
Never been to LA, but I feel like if LA and Greece had a baby, this is kind of what it would be. Okay, we're back. That was really good, and I spent a long time there. My original plan was just to like find one of the bakeries because there are a couple down there, but both bakeries I went into one and I kind of filmed. The second one I didn't film anything because I just got so scared, but like there wasn't really anything there that I like particularly wanted, so I just decided to go down into the town square, and I'm really glad I did because that place was super cute and I ended up spending like a good couple of hours there. I tried to decide what to do. I kind of just want to relax for a little bit, like inside, but also I have like a horrendous sort of tan thing going on there, so I'm debating going to the beach for a little bit. It's just really hot today. I don't really like tanning. I get really hot very quickly. I don't end up staying for a while, and I don't really feel like swimming, so I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I really can't tell what I want to do, but it is super hot. Okay, so don't mind me, I'm about to put my shoes on. I'm gonna give you a little rundown update. Okay, so I'm kind of tired. I want to take a nap, but also I do kind of want to be in the sun. I feel like that'll be nice, and I'm starting to get a little sad again, so we are going to try and get out of the house, swim and whatnot. Maybe I'll take a little rest on the beach instead of like just napping here, especially since it's like already so late in the day. I don't want to take too serious of a nap, which I could definitely do at any moment. That's just how I am. I feel like I had a bigger purpose to talk about when I came on to record this. Yeah, so
only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, feel it out. You got the bags, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Hold up, baby, don't take it.
before we get too far into the video, let's take some time to thank and appreciate our sponsor. Best Cruise specializes in a unique one-day cruise experience from Athens to 3 beautiful islands around the mainland, letting you explore historical sites, dine with authentic Greek cuisine on board, and jump off the authentic wooden boat into the crystal clear Mediterranean. Not only does Best Cruise create a fun, intimate environment within their small group tour experience, but they create the best all-in-one tour full of lively Greek culture, including their ethically sourced local ingredients to create some of the best Greek food you'll eat in your life. Thank you, Best Cruise, for making this video possible. Okay, back to the video. Good morning, Dynamos. It is Sunday. I didn't really do anything the past couple of days, just like stuff that I've been doing. But Amanda is supposed to be here soon. I haven't heard from her, so I'm hoping she's okay. I'm just gonna guess that like Wi-Fi and service where she was for her layover was just not great, because that also happened to me. But her most recent flight just landed, and so fingers crossed I hear from her soon. / she's going to be here soon. Okay, update. We've heard from Amanda. She's fine. She is going to be here so soon. So I'm about to go out to the front of the apartment complex and meet her when her car comes. Oh. We tried to order crepes, but said they're not serving them right now at 3 p.m. but we can get breakfast instead, so. Hashtag Greek life. Yes, we're gonna go watch the sunset. This way, Donna. Stop caressing your face. Coldplay is Hey Dynamos! We're racing to get ready for our day cruise. Our taxi is gonna be here so soon. He's 0.6 miles away. He's gonna be here in 2 minutes. Look,
oh my god!
No, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with that bullshit. Tell him no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with that bullshit. Tell him no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it.
So this looks like the pier that Donna runs down on the side. She's dropping her clothes. Just living the Mamma Mia dream here. Swim time.
Number 1.
Jump off the boat, but I'm scared of heights. Draw smart Grease yellow. What am I doing? I'll give you an update on that.
She's going to jump. Well, now that Marissa's gone, I can just take over and tell you that Greece is awesome. What a fantastic trip. Everyone needs to stop watching this video right now and unsubscribe and don't follow Marissa anymore. Kidding guys, go like and share and subscribe and be awesome. Just be yourself. Go to Greece.
So excited to shower. guys, we're back. Amanda's showering while I'm packing up. We're leaving for London tomorrow.
She hates me so much she can't have me in the vlog, so she chooses to vlog when I'm not around.
I thought I'd do a recap of the cruise. It was great. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Food was delicious. I really liked all of our stops. Jumping off the boat and swimming was fun. I really liked that. It was very hot, but 10 out of 10 I would absolutely recommend. So the staff was really nice. They were all really fun and sweet. It's really fun to have them. They really just took care of everything, letting us know at every stop like how long we had on each island, when lunch was being served and whatnot. I did think there was going to be more of like a brunch, but it was really just bread and cake and coffee and juice. On their website it was advertised more as a brunch, but it was definitely a very Greek breakfast. They don't really eat breakfast here. So we're going to finish packing. It's my least favorite part of everything. And then we're gonna go out on the ton for the night. Oh, I'm so sweaty. Now we have 3 hours until our plane leaves. Just killing time.
It doesn't get better than this.
That's actually really good. We left George. I'm very sad to leave him actually.
George, he's watching the vlog.
I know, he's been watching the vlog. I didn't know that, but that was so sweet. We were leaving and he was like, I've been watching the vlog. So cute and sweet. Made my day. I didn't tell him anything about it, so happy he found it. I love watching it in the viewfinder.
I love
George's Airbnb. That was the best Airbnb I've ever stayed at.